Hello Auburn Public Library friends, Miss Corinna here, and today we're making a short video on how to feed our feathered friends outside. So I scrounged around our closet and I came up with an old pine cone, some peanut butter, and some bird feed. So I'm going to take my pine cone and just scoop some of this peanut butter onto it. If you can't use peanut butter for any reason, you could try some Crisco, and that would have the same effect. So we're just going to smear some of this peanut butter onto the pine cone, and then we're going to roll our pine cone into our bird seed that we found here. And I'm going to put this outside. I can tie a string and hang it up, and our feathered friends can come and nibble from it. If you hang it by your window, maybe you can watch. Now, if you can't find any pine cones, I'm sure you might have a toilet paper roll hanging around your recycle bin. We can do exactly the same thing. Smear some peanut butter onto this toilet paper roll, roll it in our bird seed, and we can put a string through and hang this up outside a window and have a bird feeder with a toilet paper holder as well. Go feed your furry friends. Thanks, bye.